In this video, we'll show you how to connect your Bambu Lab Magnetic Levitation DIY kit and get the float levitating for the first time. Start by checking that all 5 components are included. Connect the touch switch plug to the base. This controls the lighting. Next, connect the power cable to the base, making sure the connector is correctly oriented. Then connect the power adapter to the power cable to power on the base. Turn the base over and confirm that the red indicator light is on. Once confirmed, place the base upright again. Hold the float level above the center of the base. Align it with the center, then slowly lower it until you find the magnetic balance point. This may take a few attempts, so keep the float level and take your time. Once it is stable, slowly release it. And there you have it. Your float is now levitating. Give it a try, and we'll see you in the next video. For more guides, tips, and troubleshooting help, visit the Bambu Lab Wiki at wiki.bambulab.com.